Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the management of Milestone in Odoo 90. Milestone enables you to track ongoing project work by designating a sequence of key steps that must be reached before the project completion. Milestones are particularly useful in expensive, long, or large scale projects. They can be used purely for indicative purposes as a way to ensure that the project is completed in a timely manner. Milestones can be also used as a basis for invoicing the client. This benefits both parties as it ensures consistent cash flow for project funding and allows the client to pay the project in several installments. Now, let's see how we are just going to manage the setting up of the manual milestone. You can just head into the project module. From here, I'd like to create a new project. So here, click on new to create the project, and you can set the name of the project over here. So I would like to set the project name as building. And once it's done, you can create the project. And here you can see that once the project has been created, you can see we have the three dots. You can simply click on the three dots, and upon moving on to the settings, you can see that we have the settings over here. We need to enable the milestone that track major progress points that must be reached to achieve success. And this is a manual creation. Milestones can be also automatically created from the project once the sales order is confirmed. But if you just want to manage with the automatic creation of the milestone, ensure that you have enabled the milestones under the project. So once it's done, the next step is that we just need to configure different stages. You can consider the project. So I would like to set the project stage as foundation and click on tick. And the other one is structure. Again, click on tick mark, and the final one is finishing. So these are the stages that we want to use for milestones. So we have created different milestones over here. Not the milestone stages. Once it's done, you can move on, and you can see that we just need to create a task. Okay. So I would like to create a task over here. Upon clicking on the quick add, this would allow you to create the task. So let's say building itself is the name, and you just want to add different persons over here, such as a project manager, site engineer, and the worker. So you can just set the assignees over here. So once it's done, you can click on edit, and you can see that we have the option to set the milestone. So here you can see that I would like to set the milestone as progress of building. And inside that, you can see that we can set the deadline and the options over here. You can set the milestone times over here, like the deadline. So let's say April 30. And if it's reached, you can just enable it as reached. And yeah, we have just done with it. And under the subtask here, we have to provide the title. So I would like to set it as foundation. And let's create the other one. And the milestone is progress of the building, right? Or building construction, you can just change the name over here. If you just want to change it as construct building, you can just do that. Once it's done, you can back, and here I would like to set it as structure. And again, let me save it. You can allocate the time, and once it's done, you can just add the other one. So let's say finishing is the final stage. Okay, so let me save it. So once everything is done, what you have to do is you can just view this task. Okay, so here you can see that currently it's in progress. So once the foundation is done, you can mark it as done over here. Okay, so you can find the parent task. Upon moving on to the parent task, you can see it's 10. And you can also mark the time over here, the allocated time and everything, to manage with the timesheet, billing, and everything. Now, you can see that the other one is structure. Again, you can move on here as we are in as the structure work starts. You can see that it will be moving over there, and you can log the times over here. So here you can see that I would like to set the hour over here as 200, and you can just stop it over here, and you can say that we have taken 189 hours, and we can just log it over here. So that will be marked under the time sheet, and you can see that I would like to change the progress as 10. So once it's 10, you can see the milestone is again achieved. Okay, and you can see that we have the other one which is finishing. So upon choosing the view option here, you can see when the construction building is completed, you can again set it as finishing, and you can set the progress as 10. So this is the way we can manage with the milestones. And if we have just given any particular time, let's say 500 is 500 is the total time just that we have just given, we can just mark it over here, and you can also set the progress and everything. Okay, so this is how we manage with the milestones. And uh, currently you can say that we have just done with the milestone, and we can also manage with the billing of this one. We'll be talking about how to manage the construction management using Odoo in a detailed video. So this is a sample of how to set up a manual milestone in Odoo 19. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.